I'm very impressed.
Because they're new. Built-in hair on my new Apple. Weird. Ooh, she built. Ah, I love this car.
Me too.
This is one of my favorite cars ever produced. Oh, she's a little cold. She's cranky when she's cold. Kind of like Bobbi.
You want one? I have another one.
No, I would have a heart attack. I just want to be mean for a second.
I have a present for you. You don't even know about it.
Do I though?
What is it? What?
I don't know. Let me eat first. So the other day when I asked you what these boxes were for, and you nonchalantly said, oh, they're just parts.
I said they're just for the M3. Well, just open them up. Rip it, rip it, rip it.
I don't know how.
Now you can open it.
Oh my god, babe.
Yeah.
I knew it. I freaking knew it.
You always know. Oh, that kind of light. There.
Oh my god.
You wanna know what's that part about these? These are just winter wheels.
No, they're not. No, they're freaking not.
What do you mean, no, they're not?
How are these winter wheels? These are amazing.
Funny, they're just winter. These are $600.
Promise?
Uh-huh.
Look at me. Say you promise.
I promise.
So these are winter wheels?
Yes,
How are they so nice?
because they're new.
I like them for summer or winter. Can we put them on now? All right, it's time to go to the tire shop.
So we already had beefy 18-inch snow tires from Rose from last year, so we bought some 18-inch wheels for the winter. These are like, what, $550?
That's crazy.
If you guys want to pick some of these up, I'll link them down below. And then we also got sensors, and we also got some flaps for you.
We really did get flaps?
Yeah.
But I thought you lied.
I ordered those when I was drunk in Cancun, remember?
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
It's official rally car status now.
Wow.
Wow.
Can we put them on today?
You know, I'm not sure in that time. So before we get the wheels and tires mounted on Bobbi's car, remember that scratch that happened on the hood and the headlight when we were in Cancun and Jared was driving the car? We are gonna attempt to fix that real quick.
And now a word from our sponsors.
We were sent over this towel by Bamor. It is a slight scratch remover cloth. So I'm really excited to test this out and see what this thing can do on our newly found scuffs and scratches on our nice black, beautiful paint. Let's rip this thing open, see what's inside, and see how good it actually works. All right, guys, let's test this thing out. We're gonna do this little scuff mark right here. All right, I just did a few little passes. Let's wipe that thing off and see if it actually took the scuffs and scratches out of the paint. It definitely took some of it out. I'm gonna hit it a little bit more and see what happens. So that giant scuff slash like light scratches that was in this area here, completely gone. We do saw this one right here, and then I think there's something on the headlight as well. Yeah, there's this on the headlight. I'm gonna try the headlight part. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on the M3 as well. We have this giant something on the mirror, and I figured I'm gonna try it on this car and see if it'll take that off. Wow, it actually works really good. Not gonna lie guys, I'll probably order a couple more of those up. I'll just have one in each car, especially if we're going to like doing a car meet or a car show or like a meet and greet or something and something happens like on the Evo 8. It'd be super handy to have on hand. Color me impressed. If you guys want to pick up this Bamur scratch remover cloth, I will have it linked down in the description box below. Well worth it in my opinion. All right, now is the time to head up north, back to the tire shop. I feel like I show them this every day when I go to the tire shop. So let's get these guys loaded up. I honestly don't even know if they're gonna clear Bobbi's calipers. Don't really care, because if they don't, then I'm gonna steal the wheels and snow tires and put them on. I'll steal them and put them on one of my cars. So we got the tires mounted up on the wheels. Car is up in the air. First thing we're gonna do is just pop off a wheel, take off the spacers that we're running, and see how these new wheels look. They're definitely gonna clear. I thought these brakes were a little bit bigger. They're still pretty big, but not as big as I remember them being. So we should be good to go on the clearance issue.
Perfect.
So we got one wheel on and it clears the brakes just fine. Plenty of space. Fairly flush fitment. These are 18 by 9.5 with a 35 millimeter offset. That's how they look. Should look pretty good. Before we get any further, you guys already know we are gonna ceramic coat these boys. DVN 25 bucks off one of these kits. Let's bang all these wheels out, and then we are gonna go ahead and get the mud flaps on the car, and then we can get the wheels on the car, and Bobbi should be good to go for the snowstorm we're gonna get tonight.
I just want to get my flaps on.
IPA wipe down, Armor Shield 9 wipe down, let it cure, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, wipe it off. Both of these will be linked down in the description box below. Should we do the front or the back first?
Front.
Front?
So we can really see what she's gonna look like.
Front flap installation. Last time we installed flaps on any car, the only time we ever do it is on a Subaru. Last time was Cameron's car.
Rose.
We did?
Yeah.
Oh. Flaps are always really easy to install.
To be completely honest, I feel like mud flaps are one of the most like the easiest things, but yet kind of hard just because there's so many pieces. You know? Maybe I'm just dumb.
So we just got the passenger side on. Let me run you guys through on how this is done. First thing that you're gonna wanna do, grab this little L bracket right here, and there's 2 little divots, and they want you to bend it just a little bit. That's gonna give us extra tire clearance. So this bracket right here, so it sits on the back of the flap like that. And then for the front flaps, you're gonna need 2 of these S clips. They're the thicker clips that look like that. 1 of the thinner U clips, little clip, 2 short screws with washers, 1 long screw with washer, and this spacer right here. That little guy is for the front. First thing we're gonna do is pop out these 3 clips right here, and then there is 1 underneath. Just grab a little Phillips screwdriver, pop those guys out. Peel back the inner fender. This one, both take the bigger S clips, and then the U clip, the thinner one, goes on that bottom bracket there. The clip on the bottom side of the inner fender going up can go back in. Now we're ready to install the flap itself. So the first thing that I did on the other side was just take our little U clip right, or the clip. She's gonna go through just like this. On the far inside guy. And it just holds the bracket in place. top two take the short screw, and then this one right here takes the longer screw. And where this little plastic piece sits is right there. Kind of makes it just a nice flush environment for the flap to sit at. These things are adjustable. You can slide them in or out. We're gonna go all the way out. Rally car stance life, you know? Beautiful. Official rally car. It's all red, you know? There's red on the cap, the flap, and the badge.
And wow, that's just nutty.
Some red brakes.
Ooh, now we're talking.
Should we do it right now?
Yes.
For the rear, you need the flap, the bracket with the studs on them, and then there are 2 nuts with washers, and then 1 screw with washer, and just 1 clip for the rear. The only thing you gotta pop off in the rear is this clip right here, and pop that out.
Just a little crust to crust.
And take your bracketry, pop the bumper back. This guy's gonna slip in there. Before you do that, put this little clip on. This U-clip. Now she's going to slide back.
That's it?
Yep. Now this clip goes back through. Flap goes on, washer, nut, washer, and a nut on the inside. And then on this middle one is a screw in the washer. Tighten her down, get it adjusted exactly where you want it. Put your gosh darn wheels on and go rally car drive in the snow. And
Yay.
don't bang against the curb like Bobby's probably going to tonight.
What? When have I ever banged against the curb? Should we roll the clip with the Forester? Don't make me expose you.
Want to pull that pin? All right guys, here is how she looks on the ground. Pretty thick, pretty meaty setup. I like it a lot. 18s on a newer STI look pretty decent. Did it rub it all yet?
No.
You like?
Yeah, babe, I'm not even kidding. Like, it looks like a completely different car. I'm very impressed.
All right, we're gonna go for a quick drive. It's a pretty tight fit, you know. This car is lowered. It's not stock height, and these are obviously a little bit more aggressive than the factory wheel. So we're gonna go drive it, make sure it doesn't rub at all. I wonder if it's snowing yet. We're supposed to get pretty pounded with snow tonight. So this is perfect timing for Bob. It's not even snowing. Should we go drive it?
Yeah, I'll get the doors if you want to drive.
Let's go see if she rubs.
Oh, she's snowing all right.
We just hit a little ripper up the road, a little bouncy road by the shop. Didn't rub at all. We're good to go. Bobby, guess what?
Yes.
I don't know if I ever showed you this, or if you even watched my channel. Do you know what flag this is?
Yeah, it's a Subaru flag.
It's for you, I think.
Ooh. We have to hang it
Should we right now or later?
later.
I keep saying I'll do it later, but I keep running out of time in the day.
Wow, yeah.
We'll do it tomorrow, first thing.
Subaru fam.
So we're just gonna torque down the lug nuts, and we'll be on our way. Bobby has a nice little ripper for the winter, and I don't even have a ripper for the winter. I do have snow tires on Evo 8 wheels up there. I'm not really a fan of driving one of the 8s in the snow though. They're just, you know, they're a little too neat. I should buy another Evo 10 for a winter car. If you guys want to install or purchase anything that we just installed, snow tires, the winter wheels, flaps, and the ceramic coat, all of that stuff will be linked down in the description box below. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you think of the beefy setup on Bobby's car.
Gary is her name.
Rawr. I think he likes dirt bikes.
Whoa.
All right, so we just got to Cameron's house, and I don't think you guys know this, but we have a full sticker printing and cutting setup over here. So this here is a printer, which is a foil printer, and then the cutter is this guy right here. We got sick of dealing with junky companies, so we just decided to buy our own stuff. And Cameron is over here designing a sticker that's actually gonna be the giveaway sticker for this upcoming launch. What the hell?
Badass or what?
What is that?
Looks like a giant pokey
It looks like
chode.
a pokey chode.
Just a little chub.
Dude, what if we actually, should we just leave it like that?
No, bro, that's
What
a little too provocative.
is that?
This is Cameron for you.
Okay. Is that realistic?
Dude, a little bit smaller than that. Come on now.
Okay.
I was going back on YouTube videos the other day, trying to figure out like what I want to do for a really funny giveaway sticker. And I used to say this phrase all the time, bang my line. And I was like, okay, this is what we're gonna do. So this is what we came up with. Bang my line with a little dude, just, you know, banging the bang.
Oh yeah.
This is kind of the process of how we do the die cuts. So this is, do we have like something that's not cut at all? So the die cuts start out with this giant roll right here. The cutter cuts everything, of course, and then you weed off the background, and then we put it onto this transfer tape like this right here. And then this finished product looks like this, and this is what we send out to you guys. So these are pretty easy to make. Jared's over here, you know, banging his line. Look at there.
Square but rounded quarters.
Yeah, square but round. Yep, let's do that. Cameron does way more sticker stuff and designs than I do, and some of his stuff's really sick, so I might steal some designs, like this one right here. Look at this. This is sick. Foil.
Look at that badass shit.
Sheesh. These stickers we're gonna print a ton of because these are included in every single order, and we're expecting a very, very high quantity of orders over the weekend. So we're gonna print a ton. Like, what do you think? 50,000?
Do you want like 3-4 stickers like that?
Freaking bum. All right, let's send it. These ones are nice because the machines pretty much do all the work. On the die cuts, there's a lot of like manual labor, but with these stickers, you run them through the printer and then run them through the cutter, and the cutter just cuts them all out and they just fall out. So very, very simple. So after we are done with the printer, they come over to the cutter. Oh, just finished up. So this is actually the third time I've attempted this. The other two ended up in the trash because I messed up on them. But this is the finished product. Bang my line. So every single order that is placed for this launch gets one of these guys. All right, guys, I think we're all good to go. Cameron, if you're watching this, please heat your shop because it's really freaking cold in here. We're gonna head home. Late night in Cameron's shop as he's sleeping. Yeah, remember November 15th, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Every sticker or every order gets a Bang My Line sticker, and there's gonna be a ton of other dope stickers that we're gonna make in the meantime that will be up on the site. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, babe. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Yes.